Hello everyone, how are you all today? This is Ashar Khan from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota, and students, today we are revising our geography chapters. The two chapters of geography that we'll be revising today are chapter number 1, India, size and location, and chapter number 2, physical features of India. So students, open your book on page number 1, open your geography book on page number 1. Okay, chapter number is 1, name of the chapter is India, size and location. So we'll be discussing points to remember, internal questions and answers and copy work of both the chapters in this video. Okay, हम दोनों chapters के तीनों points को देखेंगे, points to remember, internal question and answers and copy work. So keep your pencils in your hand as well so that you can mark the internal question answers. So students, let us begin. The first chapter is India, size and location, geography, chapter number 1. So in this chapter, students, we learnt about India. What is the strategic point of India? Okay, where India is located on the world map. That is all the things that we learnt in this chapter. So see, India is a vast country. India is a very big country. It is the 7th largest country in the world. It lies between latitude 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north. Okay, latitudes, which two latitudes under which India lies? 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north. In between these two latitudes, you will find India. And longitudes are 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. And in between these two longitudes, you will find India. Okay. Another thing, Tropic of Cancer, which is the line, it divides the country into two equal parts. Tropic of Cancer is a line. It bisects India into two equal parts, the northern part and the southern part. Okay. It lies on 23 degrees 30 minutes north on the latitude angle. Then the landmass of India, that means the area of India. Okay? The area of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. How large India is? 3.28 million square kilometer, making it the 7th largest country of the world. Which makes it the 7th largest means if we categorize country, all the countries of the world according to their area, that means India will come on the 7th number. Okay. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time difference of 2 hours. Now see, India is a very large country. Okay, so from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat, there will be a time difference of 2 hours, but we don't count it. Okay, because India follows a standard time. That means one time is followed throughout the India, despite of its latitudinal differences. Now, see, India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. That you all know कि India कौन से continent में आता है? India comes in the Asia continent. Okay. In Asia as well, where will you find India? In the southward extension. आपको India कहाँ मिलेगा मैप में? एशिया में जो साउथ वाला पार्ट है वहाँ पर. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, and जो peninsula है हमारा, which is called the Deccan Peninsula, वो किस ocean में situated है? It is in the Indian Ocean. India shares its land boundary with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Now see, India has some land neighbors as well, to which India shares its boundary. India अपनी boundary share करता है 7 neighboring countries से. They are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Apart from land neighbors, India has also sea neighbors, which are the island neighbors. Okay. India also has 2 island neighbors, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay, और 2 countries और हैं India के पास, which are Sri Lanka and Maldives, but they are not connected by land. Okay, they are connected by sea. They are island neighbors. Now, Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Park Strait. और India और Sri Lanka को divide करता है Park Strait. What is a strait? Strait is a small body of water which divides 2 land masses. Okay, so India and Sri Lanka are the 2 land masses, और उनको divide करता है a narrow strip of water which is called strait. And what is the name of the strait? Park Strait. Now students, come to the internal questions part. Take out your pencil and open your book on page number 1. Open your book on page number 1. You have plenty of space here on page number 1. Okay, you will write internal question number 1 here. The first internal question is, what are the longitudinal and latitudinal extent of India? Means किन longitudes के बीच में और किन latitudes के बीच में आपको India मिलेगा मैप पे, world मैप पे. So write this question on page number 1 and then we'll move on to answer. See, the mainland extends between latitudes 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 डिग्री 6 मिनट्स नॉर्थ। जो मेन लैंड है इंडिया का वो आपको कौन से लैटिट्यूड्स में मिलेगा? 8 डिग्री 4 मिनट्स नॉर्थ और 37 डिग्री 6 मिनट्स नॉर्थ में, और लॉन्गिट्यूड्स 68 डिग्री 7 मिनट्स ईस्ट एंड 97 डिग्रीज 25 मिनट्स ईस्ट। यू कैन मार्क दिस on the first paragraph here. Okay, location paragraph, location topic, first paragraph, second line. Second line में ही it's written the main land extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north and longitude 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. Mark this internal answer. After marking the first answer, we move on to the second internal question, which is also on page number 1. So write the question here, internal question number 2, which is what is the total land mass of India? India का total land mass, total area कितना है? Okay, write the question properly. Let's move on to the answer. The land mass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. मीन्स इंडिया का जो लैंड मास है, जो एरिया है, वो कितना है? 3.28 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। एंड वेयर विल यू अंडरलाइन दिस आंसर? ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द पैराग्राफ, ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ दिस पेज, टॉपिक साइज, फर्स्ट लाइन, द लैंड मास ऑफ इंडिया हैज एन एरिया ऑफ 3.28 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। ओके, मार्क दिस सेकेंड इंटरनल आंसर। ओके, सो वी हैव मार्क्ड 2 क्वेश्चंस ऑन पेज नंबर 1. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू पेज नंबर 2 नाउ. Turn the page to page number 2 and write the third internal questions on top. When was the Suez Canal opened? Write the third internal question on page number 2. The question is, when was the Suez Canal opened? Write the answers right beneath the question. You can directly write the answer. In which year it was opened? 1869. Suez Canal कब open हुई थी? 1869 में. Moving on, now come to page number 5. Turn your pages to page number 5. There is a map of India on page number 5. Above that map is a blank space where you will write the fourth question, which is name the countries separated by Park Strait. Okay, countries separated by Park Strait. Answer, you can write it India and Sri Lanka. You can also look in the map and see a narrow strip of water which is dividing India and Sri Lanka. That strip of water is called Park Strait. Okay students, so that was it for our internal question and answer. Now we move on to the copy work of this chapter. If you have not done this copy work in your copies, then please do so properly. Okay, first question we are discussing. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west. Okay, we know that Arunachal Pradesh is located in the far east on the map and Gujarat is located on the far west. तो क्वेश्चन में आपसे वो क्या पूछ रहा है? दैट द सन राइजेस 2 hours अर्लियर, मीन्स देयर इज अ टाइम डिफरेंस ऑफ 2 hours बिटवीन अरुणाचल प्रदेश एंड गुजरात, बट द वॉचेज शो द सेम टाइम, बट आपकी जो वॉच है वो सेम टाइम शो करेगी. हाउ डज दिस हैपन? ऐसा क्यों होता है? इट्स वेरी सिंपल टू अंडरस्टैंड. सी, द ईस्टर्न मोस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड ऑफ इंडिया इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश इज 97 डिग्री 25 मिनट्स ईस्ट. सबसे ईस्टर्न मोस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड हमारे पास है इंडिया का, जो कि अरुणाचल प्रदेश में जाता है, वो कौन सा है? 97 डिग्री 25 मिनट्स ईस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड. ओके, और वेस्टर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट जो है वो गुजरात में, वो लॉन्गिट्यूड जाता है गुजरात से, एंड दैट इज 68 डिग्री 7 मिनट्स ईस्ट. ओके, सो वी हैव 2 longitudes, one in the west and one in the east. One is passing through Arunachal Pradesh, another is passing through Gujarat. Now, thus the longitudinal extent is about 30 degree. If we subtract these 2 digits, we'll get about 30 degree, means there is a 30 degree gap, okay, between the longitude of Gujarat and the longitude of Arunachal Pradesh. It means 30 longitudes pass from east to west throughout India. यानी कि गुजरात और अरुणाचल प्रदेश के बीच में कितने longitudes पड़ेंगे? 30 longitudes. Now there is a time difference of 4 minutes between the 2 consecutive longitudes. 2 consecutive longitudes means any 2 consecutive longitudes will have a time difference of 4 minutes. Okay, so what we will do is the time difference between 30 longitudes will be 30 multiplied by 4, which will be 120 minutes, and 120 minutes is equal to 2 hours. Okay students, but तो इन क्वेश्चन इट इज सेइंग कि देयर इज अ टाइम डिफरेंस ऑफ 2 आवर्स, बट जो वॉच है, आपकी जो घड़ियां हैं, वो सेम टाइम शो करेंगी. हाउ? बिकॉज देयर इज अ टाइम डिफरेंस ऑफ 2 आवर्स इन लोकल टाइम बिटवीन अरुणाचल प्रदेश एंड गुजरात. ओके, सो वी हैव एस्टैब्लिश्ड सो फार दैट देयर इज अ टाइम डिफरेंस ऑफ 2 आवर्स, बट द वॉचेस स्टिल शो द सेम टाइम. That is because in India we follow an Indian standard time. That means throughout India same time is followed. Okay, पूरे इंडिया में एक सेम टाइम है, वही चलता है, which is Indian standard time. Moving on to the next question. The central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? Means India जो आपका Indian Ocean में located है. ओके, इंडियन ओशियन में जो इंडिया जाता है हमारा, इट इज ऑफ ग्रेट सिग्निफिकेंस. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे लिए. क्यों? द सेंट्रल लोकेशन ऑफ इंडिया एट द हेड ऑफ द इंडियन ओशियन इज कंसिडर्ड ऑफ ग्रेट सिग्निफिकेंस बिकॉज, नाउ लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट, द ट्रांस इंडियन ओशन रूट्स विच कनेक्ट द कंट्रीज ऑफ यूरोप इन द वेस्ट एंड द कंट्रीज ऑफ ईस्ट एशिया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हमारे पास जो इंडियन ओशियन में Deccan Peninsula, yes, we have Deccan Peninsula in the Indian Ocean. Now उससे जो वेस्ट वाला पार्ट है Deccan Peninsula का, which connects the ocean to Europe, okay, and the countries of East Asia. तो ईस्ट एशिया और यूरोप की कंट्रीज को कनेक्ट करता है Deccan Peninsula by the Indian Ocean route. Okay. Second point, the Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast. Means जो डेक्कन पेनिनसुला हमारे पास इंडियन ओशियन में है, उसमें वेस्ट कोस्ट मीन्स हमारा जो वेस्टर्न साइड है डेक्कन पेनिनसुला का, इट एस्टैब्लिश कॉन्टैक्ट विद वेस्ट एशिया, अफ्रीका एंड यूरोप फ्रॉम द वेस्टर्न कोस्ट. तो वेस्ट कोस्ट से तो हम इन कंट्रीज से जुड़े हुए हैं, एंड विद द साउथ ईस्ट एंड ईस्ट एशिया फ्रॉम द ईस्टर्न कोस्ट. और जो ईस्ट कोस्ट बाउंड्री है इंडिया की, through which we are connected through the East Asia and the Southeast countries. No other country has such a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has. Means no other country has such a big coastline as much as India on the Indian Ocean. और किसी भी देश की Indian Ocean पे इतनी बड़ी coastline नहीं है जितनी इंडिया की है. And that is why it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which has given the name of an ocean after it. And just because of all these points that we have discussed, इतनी सारी जो significant है इंडिया की, that is why जो पूरा ocean है उसका नाम किस country के नाम पे पड़ा है? इंडिया. And what is the name of the ocean? Indian Ocean. So okay.